On an O-1 visa and planning to travel abroad? Yes, you can. But there are important rules and risks to understand. Many O-1 visa holders ask us whether they can leave the U.S. and return safely. The answer is yes, but re-entry is never guaranteed. You must be prepared with the right documents and avoid certain timing mistakes. To re-enter the U.S. on your O-1 visa, you should carry a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity, your O-1 visa stamp in your passport unless you're Canadian, your original form, I-797 approval notice, your most recent I-94 record, and proof of ongoing U.S. employment such as recent pay stubs or an updated employment letter. Travel becomes risky if you have a petition pending, whether it's an extension, amendment, or transfer. USCIS may consider your petition abandoned if you leave the U.S. before approval. That's why we advise avoiding international travel during active filings unless it's absolutely necessary. Even with valid documents, re-entry is never automatic. The final decision is made by Customs and Border Protection officers at the port of entry. They check your visa, your I-797, your I-94 history, and whether you're still employed in the same role for which your O-1 was approved. There is a special rule called automatic visa revalidation. If you travel to Canada or Mexico or certain nearby islands for less than 30 days, you may be able to re-enter without getting a new visa stamp. After returning to the U.S., always check your I-94 online to confirm your updated admission date and status. If anything is incorrect, it must be fixed immediately because your I-94 controls your legal stay. For smooth travel, we recommend carrying printed copies of your I-797, your visa page, your I-94, and your employment letter. Make sure your passport is valid well beyond your return date. Confirm your employment status before you leave, and check your I-94 as soon as you re-enter. At Beyond Border Global, we help O-1 visa holders travel confidently. We guide you on the documents you need, the risks to avoid, and the safest timing for international trips, especially if you have a pending petition. If you're planning a trip and want to make sure your O-1 status stays secure, book a free consultation with us at beyondborderglobal.com. We'll help you travel with complete confidence.